This latest release of DecoNetwork includes a couple of enhancements related to image quality. We've made working with SVG format logo images even simpler. Previously, the system generated a resized raster image version of your SVG logos. We now disable the Resize Image to Fit option when your logo is SVG format to ensure it gets embedded as a crisp vector graphic every time. This means you'll need to make sure your SVG logos are sized to the desired display size prior to upload. This also means you'll need to make sure to upload a separate mobile logo image, as the system will no longer generate a resized version. Once again, you can click in to open up the Select Image pop-up and choose the small resized version that you've uploaded. In addition to these SVG logo improvements, we've added a new setting under Page Options that allows you to set the level of compression applied to your product listing images, allowing you to choose a balance between quality and page loading speed. Just as we've done here, we'll continue to release additional improvements related to image quality in future updates.